In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily see someone's reports on TikTok before they watch the video to the very end, so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, and we need to open up TikTok. We need to open up someone's TikTok profile. And right over here at this user's profile, we can see this button. It looks like up and down arrows. This is basically a report button. If I tap right here, it will show me all the videos TikTok that they have reposted. Please note that you will not see these buttons on all accounts because reports can be hidden from the profile page in this settings. So if you don't see here or this button, there is no other way to see the particular user's reports. If this video was helpful, don't forget to hit the like button.